In this video, we will show you how to replace your brake lamp switch on this Jeep Patriot. This will be located under your driver's side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the driver's side dash. We're going to be focusing at the brake pedal. Under this area, we can see our brake pedal. As you follow it up and underneath the dash, this is where we're going to find our brake lamp switch. This is going to be fairly simple overall. You don't even need any tools. Go ahead and take hold of the brake lamp switch and give it a quick twist. As you twist it, you should find that it makes its way out of place. We'll continue on with our electrical connector. Now, as for the electrical connector, just go ahead and take hold of that and separate it from our brake lamp switch. You should be able to give it a light tug, and it's going to come apart. There it is, friend. Now that we have that disconnected, we'll give this a close inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it needs to be taken care of. This looks fine. Let's continue on to cleaning the mounting surface where our switch is going to be located. Now it's time to install our brand new brake lamp switch. We're going to start with the electrical connector. We'll make sure we have it properly aligned. Press it in. Listen for an audible click, a light tug confirming it's properly secured in place. Continuing on, we're going to have to get this into the brake pedal lever. There's one area that we want to pay attention to. Look at this white locking tab. Right up along here, where the electrical connector is, you can see it has a locating tab. If you are looking at the mounting bracket, you'll find that it has a port for that to slide into. Once we have this in place, we'll be turning it clockwise to lock it in. When you're pressing it in, you may find it's easier to press if you press down on the brake pedal. Now we'll just double check to make sure that's properly secured, and it's time to test the functionality. To test the functionality, it's easiest if you have a second person watching the brake lamps. Let's make sure they turn on and off as they should. On, off. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.